Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dayforce Ceridian employee system, check work schedule step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Dayforce Ceridian. Press enter to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, look for the username field. Enter your unique username in the provided space. Next, locate the password field. Type your password carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. After entering your login credentials, find the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your employee dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Work Schedule option in the menu. Click on the Work Schedule option to view your schedule. Here, you will see your upcoming shifts and any changes. If needed, use the filters to adjust the view of your schedule. Review your scheduled shifts for any important notes or updates. When you're finished, ensure you log out for security. To log out, find the Logout button, usually located in the top right corner. Click the Logout button to securely exit the Dayforce Ceridian system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.